decided to do is challenge Tony Bowles to a game of golf. Well, no, it's mini golf, but it's golf. And we've got like a tenner on it, or 10 euros, just to say. So the winner gets 10 euros and this beautiful gold medal. So here we go. Tony, you ready?
I'm ready.
You're ready, let's do it. Can I just ask you a question?
Me?
Yeah. Who's going to win?
Yeah, 50-50.
No, shit, I was going to swear then, but no, yeah. 50-50. Yeah, 50-50. What, 50-50 that I win it and 50-50 that you win it?
Well, if Danny was here, which he's not, Danny would win
Because he's the luckiest golfer I know.
Luckiest golfer we know.
Yeah, he's the luckiest golfer we know.
Let's get the first round done first, because it's quite a big course.
I want to know if you booked any buggies. Well then, John, how are you feeling?
A bit nervous.
Are you feeling nervous? I'm feeling a little bit confident here because I've just read the how you play the golf, how you play the game.
Yeah.
I'll just go and show you. Look, it's a lovely it's a lovely swimming pool. It's like, this is a whole nice complex here, and this is right in the middle of like a big hotel. It's really lovely here. Look, and this is the mini golf. This is the rules, Tom. Well, here we go. Hole one, guys.
Hold on.
Hole one. Here we go.
Look at the sweat off his brow, look. He's very nervous.
Nervous? Stop it. Yeah, watch this. Ready? I can see it's curves. So I'm going to aim a little bit right. Yeah. Aim a little bit right, and I'm in the hole. You're watching, Time. Ready?
I'm watching. There's the hole.
Oh,
That's not bad.
that's not bad, but it's not good. It's
I've
not
lost
good.
the pencil. I've lost it on the pencil.
How can you lose the pencil? Go on, Tom. Let's see you do it.
We're going straight for the hole.
I want to see you. I want to see your technique. You got to go for the hole, of course. Oh, that's a nice shot. Oh, you're over by me. Go on, Tom. Knock her in. Knock her in, Tom. Let's get it on camera as well. You knock it in. Oh no! God, knock it in. Knock it in. Hold on, let me get it in because I want to get the glory of you knocking it in the old Tom for the first time. Ready? Go! Oh!
In on 3.
Damn, I think I'm gonna miss that.
That'll be 2.
Oh, hang on.
Yes, we're there. And here's the hole.
That was 3, wasn't it?
I'm panning out. Don't give me any chances.
Oh dear.
What is that?
That's 5.
This is a par 3.
No!
Yeah,
I took a 5. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Did you start?
Bad.
Oh yeah, you
Yeah, I
started.
did,
2B for you.
Alright. Well, it's on hole number 2. It's as tough as you like. You've got to go round the bend up there and over there. So, through your boots.
In the hole with positivity. This is a par 4, this.
What's the score so far? Can I just zoom in on the scorecard?
No.
Oh,
This
well
is-
then,
this
nice
is-
away.
Where's the chapping hole then?
Oh, hold on, let me get. Oh, look, there's a big. What this one is like from here. Look, all the way around here, up behind that tree, isn't it?
going to get prickled by the tree.
Don't let me fall in.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Oh, what a shot!
That deserves. Yeah.
The spider in the face. That's what that deserves. Oh, can I knock it in?
Go on then.
That's a 3. Then you've got to knock that in for 3. Yes. Oh my God, what a hole. What a hole to win.
And he's birdied it.
Oh my God, I birdied it for 3. You need this, Tone. You need this to half the hole. If you don't, you're in trouble. Go. Oh!
Yep, half the hole. Or whatever you say.
Do you know how infuriating that is?
Why?
I don't know, it's just infuriating.
I don't even play golf, Tom.
Right, hole number 4. This is called Devil's Turn. So there's no devil and there's no turn. Two. Oh no! 3. No, get out! Go on. Go on in. 4. Oh my God, it's my opportunity to win a hole. Oh. He's back. He's back.
You ain't done it yet. You ain't done it yet. And you still haven't.
3.
Oh, he's back.
Oh, here's a top. Here it is, Tone. Right there, look. There's the hole. Round a brick. Take your left or right. Oh, Tone's decided to play left of the stone. Let's see how he does.
We need a hole in one, don't we?
Yeah, I do. Oh, that's it, Tone. That's not it, Tone. Right, this is second, right? Oh, hello, change of tactics. Now we're over the far side. This is his second on the 9th. Oh, well played, Tone. Well played. I can see what you did there. Oh, no! You got to play it from there. Are you going to play it out? This for 3. Or back down to the start. You'll leave that there for 3?
Leave that there for 3.
All right.
This is a bit more trickier than I anticipated.
Oh. Jesus. Go on. Granddaughter.
Lucky charm.
Lucky charm. Grace. Fingers crossed. Here he goes. Grandad for 20 euros.
Maybe next hole, Grace.
Arabella, watch this
For 20 euros.
20 euros, I'll get all in one, it's yours.
Oh dear.
We'll call that 16.5 euros. Because it's closer than yours, isn't it? Oh my God. Oh look. Now, see,
Never mind about
how many
looking.
mini golfs do you get like this? Eh? Don't get many mini golfs like that, do you? Now this is Tone's attempt. 20 euros. Uh-oh. Oh, nice shot. Oh. That was a cracking shot, Tony.
Was it? That's good luck, bit of luck. And here we have Tony David. Yes, concentrating. Oh, I think he struck it too hard. It's coming, it's coming. Oh, that's not a bad shot. Yeah, because you're going to take at least 3 to get in that hole.
Stop yourself.
You've got to do
No
this.
pressure, Tone.
No pressure.
The pressure's on. Din, 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 din. Go on, go for it. Don't you lip it or anything like that. Oh! Oh, this is a fantastic one. Look at this one, Tone. Look. This is up. Let me just give people a look. You've got to get it up here. Look. Up here. Around the top. And it comes back down here. And the hole is here. So where Tone's standing, look, I'll show you. This is the tee.
This is a par 4.
And there's the hole.
This is a par
Keep
4.
off the stones. Oh, it's me.
It's you, yeah, you Wally.
Go on. The obvious way's out here, isn't it? Around there and whatever you.
I don't know.
Oh, you're going across the. Oh, hello. Brave move. I mean, oh, no. 2, 3. Oh, that is the shot, Tone. Maybe not.
3.
3 so far. Right, I'm on a 2, right?
It's just a bit of unlucky,
It is, yes.
you know. That lip is really unlucky. Oh dear, that's 3.
One further than you. Go on, ball, roll. Like that. That's 3, Tone. It's going.
No, it's stuck in the nether regions.
Is he going to knock it in? Yes, he did. This one to win, though, isn't it?
Yeah,
This
that one to win. That one to win. But you've got to get it in first. Oh, he's done it. Damn, and Dick Dastardly.
Damn it, Dick Dastardly. Come on, Tone. 2,000 euros, or 20 euros, 2,000 euros, 20 euros. Go on, you can do it. I want to film it. Can he get all in one? Yeah! Oh! Nice shot, Tone. Nice shot.
20 euros.
20
Oh,
euros.
look, Buzzy B, look. Can you see that Buzzy B?
Are you
Oh, sorry.
keep trying to put me off?
Sorry.
20 euros, Tone. Ready? I'm having it large. Did you film it going in?
I can't remember.
Oh, what do you mean you can't remember? If he's missed it, I'm going to be right pissed. Oh, isn't he? Oh, yes!
Oh, my God.
Yes! 20 euros! 20 euros! Oh, you could give that to Arabella. 20 euros! Boom! Oh, I just got all in one in case you missed it because Tony was holding the camera. Oh, and that's 20 euros that he's got to pay to give to Arabella. Oh, yeah. Guys,
This is for your granddad, for you.
guys, this is what champions get when they play golf.
A hole in
They
one.
get hole in one, 20 euros. Thank you very much, Tony. This is to Arabella's fund.
Make sure it's Matt that he gives it to you.
I'll make sure that goes to Arabella's fund for the hole in one. And most importantly, now here's the gold medal
The gold medal.
that I won for winning. How do you feel, Tony?
Cut.